If you go to the Elementor Pro option, it will the basic plugin will cost around some $59 per year. If you go to advanced, it will charge around some $99 per year. But I will tell you a hack. What you can do is go to Google and search for this plugin, which is Pro Elements. You can go to this first link. Here this plugin offers the pro features of the Elementor plugin for free with automatic updates. So it's a best option. You can download this plugin. A zip file will be downloaded. Now you can go to your dashboard and plugins, add new plugin and upload. It's a paid one, so you need to upload it. So once the zip file is downloaded, you can upload the plugin. Once the plugin is uploaded, you can activate the plugin. You can activate it. That's it. Now you can get all the Elementor Pro version options with this plugin itself. That's it. Thank you.